Question 9. A box in the shape of a cuboid is placed on a horizontal floor. The box exerts a force of 180 newtons on the floor. The box exerts a pressure of 187.5 newtons per meter squared on the floor. The face in contact with the floor is a rectangle of length 1.2 meters and width x meters. Work out the value of x. Well, we've got pressure is equal to force divided by area given to us. So we know the pressure to be 187.5. We know the force to be 180. So what we need to write is the area, and the area of a rectangle is length times width, which is 1.2x. This can now be rearranged. If we multiply both sides by 1.2x and divide by the 187.5, we can write this as 1.2x is equal to 180 divided by 187.5. And if we solve this on our calculator, then dividing by 1.2, so I have 180 divided by 187.5, which is 24 over 25, and I want to divide that by 1.2 to find my value of x, which is 4/5 or 0.8. We get a value for x of 0.8.